Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the track and inserting Logic Pro's Noise Gate plugin. This gets you into the process immediately. Once done, choose the correct input, and if you plan to use sidechain, pick the external trigger. Make sure level meters show signal so threshold adjustments will be meaningful. This first step sets the stage for precise gating. You need a clean signal and the correct plugin slot before you tweak parameters. You now find the sweet spot by lowering the threshold until unwanted noise is gated, then easing it up to avoid chopping desired audio. Once that feels right, set range to determine how much the gate reduces level. Start around -12 decibels and adjust. Next, tweak attack and release so transients pass through or are tightened. Fast attack for punch, slower release for natural decay. As you work, solo and unsolo the track. You finish by refining hold time and sidechain EQ so the gate responds musically. Increasing low cut in the sidechain can stop low-frequency pumping. Make sure to audition in context with other tracks so the gating sits naturally. If you hear choppy or breathing artifacts, slow the release, add a small hold, or nudge the threshold upward. Finally, bypass occasionally to confirm improvements. If problems persist, check routing and sidechain levels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.